So let's continue our discussions from a while ago. And we talk about OSD for individuals or for resident citizens. And we now talk about the OSD for corporations. And the same illustration, but let's look at the computation for the optional standard deductions for a domestic corporation. So the answer to the first question is how much is the OSD? That would be 480,000 pesos, which is lower than the OSD for individuals. However, there is a benefit if you are a corporation, registered as a corporation, that is you could reduce your gross sales by your cost of sales or cost of services. So this is not allowed under OSD for individuals, and this is one of the major reasons why there are some corporations or company or businesses that would set up as a domestic corporation because they are allowed to reduce their gross sales and receipts by their cost of sales or cost of service, which may further reduce their taxable income. Thus, in the computation of the income tax or the taxable income rather, you could reduce your gross sales and receipts by your first 600,000 cost of sales, and subsequently, in lieu of the administrative and marketing expenses or your operating expenses, you could reduce it by 480,000 OSD, and you need not present any receipts to support that amount of deductions. Again, business expenses are not allowed to be deducted if opting to use OSD. So in this case, business expenses would refer to your operating expenses. But again, cost of sales is allowed to be deducted if you are a domestic corporation. So this might be an advantage for those who are into retailing or those who have a significant amount of cost of sales. All right then. So that ends our discussions on optional standard deductions, and we'll talk about the additional exemptions in the next video.